Today, we are going to sell an iPhone on the market in Bangkok. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to sell a phone in Bangkok, literally in like an hour. No eBay, none of the Craigslist. I'm just gonna sell it to the guy over the counter and he's gonna buy it for who knows how much, but we're gonna find out. Next on Mr. Black Adventures. Hello. One thing you'll know about these malls is there are 20 malls and there's like, okay, there might be 9 or 10, okay, but there's like 9 or 10 malls in Bangkok, downtown, within 10 minutes from each other. Like, it's mall central. There is no shortage of malls, but there is only one mall where you can really do what I'm about to do, and it's tight. It's actually where I get the tailoring for my suits. It's the best deal on earth, period. One word, 3 letters, MBK, best mall in Bangkok for the cheap person. MBK is where you can come and get gold, you can get clothes, you can get fake stuff, you can get knockoffs, you can get tailored suits, you can get a lot of stuff. I'm shocked it took me 4 months to come here. I didn't know about it.
I've been telling you about MBK.
She was telling me about it, but I was like, man, I ain't going to no cheap mall. I'm going to all the Louis Vuitton stores, getting ripped off.
I know all the good stuff.
All the good stuff. So you know all my stuff's real. But you gotta come and get that fake thing every now and then. You just gotta do it. If you don't do it, you know, you ain't doing it right. Now we are here. We are on the IT floor and it's going down. Do you guys want...
Screen protector, what is it?
Hey, I want you to put the same one you put on mine. Okay. So if you guys want your screen protected quick, easy, fast, in under like 30 seconds, this gentleman right here, he can do it for you fast. So the wife's got that new iPhone, so she's trying to get...
It's iPhone 14 Pro, right?
14 Pro, yeah. She's trying to get protected because you know she got them fingernails and things happen. But again, that's one of the things we can do here. You can get cell phones, you can buy merch, you can get used stuff. It's a great used place. I mean, the stuff they're selling here, for the most part, there's some real stuff, there's some fake stuff. And I'm not gonna lie, nice thing about this guy, he actually told me, I was like, hey, should I buy this cable from here or something like that? And it's like, yeah, you should probably get a real one because this is not as good as the other one, something like that. So, you know, if they're honest, they're honest. You don't know, but I don't know. What do you think? Looking good? Looks good? Can't even tell. Hey, thanks guys. We will be back. Hopefully not too soon though. Number 1. That's the guy. Cool.
How much you want to sell that?
How much you want to offer?
Box the 61.
I would buy that for that price. I think that's a good deal.
Which
Totally a
one?
good deal. Time, my paranoid wife.
I'm so paranoid.
So paranoid. Hey, thanks again.
Yeah.
Hey, that's
Yeah,
dude.
Becca.
Thank you.
Cup and cup.
Yeah.
Okay.
See you again, buddy.
Yeah, yeah. This is where you want to be. Soy B. Okay, so we are fighting over how much we got for the phone. She thinks she can get more for certain things, and I'm trying to bring her back to reality. And it's all about what somebody's gonna pay for a phone. So that's what I'm trying to explain to her, but you know, they don't listen. So whatever. Anyways, we got a good deal. I think it was a fair deal. I'm okay with it. My tailor, he wants to sell me a suit, but I already got a tailor. So that's the next thing we're gonna go to. Is if you want bags and tailors, keep walking down. Third floor. There that guy goes, man. What's up, man?
Hey, bro.
Hey, I gotta put you on the YouTube video. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Give you some free advertisement. Yeah, you guys come down here. Go check these guys out. These guys are my dudes. Yep, we got to get a quick shout out for my tailor. Anybody who flies in to come visit, I always hook him up. It's actually not my tailor, it's my boss's old tailor, but you know, he doing all right, so he's gonna be my tailor from now on. You gotta get that Versace. Hey man, I gotta get that Versace. It's all right.
1 piece 100 baht มีแต่ 6 piece 500 baht
How much?
100 baht babe.
For 6?
6 piece 500
Hey, you think they're gonna? How long they gonna last?
ah
How long they gonna last?
long time can be long time
Long time, okay. But I'm not gonna confirm or deny that I bought anything from that underwear shop just now. So that's MBK. Clothes everywhere. Whatever you want, man. They got it. Diamonds. I mean, there's some real stuff. There's some fake stuff. There's some food stuff. You know, you can kind of find whatever you're really looking for. Whatever's in your price range. This is like the mall
there's the wigs
that you go to. Neck. This is the mall you go to if you want to save some money. Definitely the first mall you want to start at, because every mall after this, price shoots up exponentially, guaranteed. How do you feel? How do you feel?
he's crazy.
How do you feel?
I feel like I was robbed. They didn't give me the price I wanted. But
So you use Poshmark, right? You've used Poshmark. Do you feel like you got the price you wanted from Poshmark?
yeah, they can bid.
But answer the question. Do you feel like you got the price you wanted from Poshmark?
Yeah.
Whatever you sold on Poshmark.
Yeah,
Every single time?
every single time.
I'm not buying it. Hey, welcome to the tech world.
Because I don't short myself.
We can go back and buy the phone. Let's go back and buy the phone right now. We're just gonna go buy the phone back. We're going back to MBK. Okay, folks, so I'm gonna try to do maybe another video in Bangkok before we leave. But that's how you get a phone. So I don't know, iPhone 12, $700 something phone back in the day. Actually, $750 for that one. And 2 generations old. I mean, we did all right. I mean, I told the guy I'm not going to tell the number, so I'm not going to tell the number. But we walked out. One of us was happy. One of us. So, yeah. I don't know. But that is BKK. There's a lot of stuff in there, all types of deals. MBK. Not BKK. I'm going to BKK. MBK. And if you want to go spend some real money, go right over there. Siam Paragon. They'll take your money in a heartbeat. Enjoy. When you run out of money, you go on up over across the street, go to that MBK. you're gonna be just fine. But until next time, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the channel. If you have any questions about MBK or what you can get there, just let me know. Yeah, and if you haven't subscribed, take this opportunity, hit the like button and subscribe at the same time. We appreciate it. It's all good. We'll talk to you guys later. Until next time, Mr. Black Adventures out.